What's the meaning of Butch Cassidy? Butch Cassidy. Butch Cassidy.
Butch Cassidy. Butch Cassidy. Butch Cassidy is a name that refers to the pseudonym of Robert Leroy Parker, an infamous American outlaw who operated in the late 1800s. Butch Cassidy, along with his partner in crime, Harry Longabaugh, better known as the Sundance Kid, was responsible for a number of notorious bank and train robberies throughout the American West. The duo became famous for their cleverness and charm, as well as their ability to evade the law for many years. Eventually, however, they were caught and killed in Bolivia in 1908. Despite their criminal activity, Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid have become legendary figures in American folklore, representing the romanticized image of the Wild West outlaw.